Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well and thoroughly doing your studies. Right now, as we are about to complete our chapter, that is staffing. So, in that we had seen training and development. In training, we had also seen development. Also seen training is for workers and employees of middle level or not middle level, worker level, and development is for middle level, that is departmental head and top level management, right? So difference between training and development is the top, and it's an IMP question, right? So let us see difference between training and development. Number one, meaning. Training, it is a process of imparting theoretical and practical knowledge. Underline the words as I'm underlining the theoretical and practical knowledge to employees with the object of acquiring proficiency in the work. So it is a process of imparting theoretical and practical knowledge with the object of acquiring proficiency in the work. It is in development, it is a process of imparting again theoretical and practical knowledge, but to whom? To top level management and departmental heads. So training is for workers to increase their proficiency, and development is for the top level management and departmental heads. Objectives. So definition is clear with you. Next is objective. The objective is training is to increase the efficiency and productivity. Because workers are trained, so obviously productivity is to be increased. So increase. What is the main objective of training? To increase productivity and efficiency. The objective is overall development of, see, it is an overall, wait, okay. It's an overall development of management and officers by enhancing their latent capacities and molding their personalities. Right. So the objective is overall development of management and officers, because departmental heads are there, by enhancing their whatever the capacities are there, that are also enhanced and molding their personalities. Yes or no? Right. So objective is clear. So first one was meaning, second one was objective. Third is center point. So who is in the center? Work is at the center of training. Here work is at the center, and here future career and probable challenges are at the center. Future career of the employee and the probable challenges that he is going to face in the center. Is it clear? So here work is at the center, and here future challenges are in the center. Right? Now fourth is time and expense. It is a short-term process. So it is a what kind of time taken? Short-term process and less expensive. It is a long-term process and expensive process. Is it clear? Development is a long-term process and expensive process. So training is a short-term process and it is for less expensive. Development is a long-term process and expensive, right? So first one was meaning, second one was your objective, third one was your who is at the center, fourth is your time and expense. So training is less expensive and short-term process. What is this? Development is a long-term and expensive process. Who imparts training? Training is imparted by experienced employees, experts or supervisors. Right? So that is within the organization only. So training is imparted by experienced employees and experts or supervisor. But for this, help of educational institutes and experts of various fields is taken. See, remember I had given you the task of finding the details about SK Masala, and only I got answers from 4 or 5 students, and most of their answers were right. And I think one person has only answered, that is, they had taken what we say training from, I need to remember his name always, Bindra. Some Bindra is there. So, okay. So, as you can see, I had shared some of the one answer from the student that has answered me. So, you can see, I had asked you about the SK Masala, and the student has well researched and he has given answer. Ma'am, SK Masala name is based on S. Kushaldas and Company, which is of Surat, right? The company is universally, that is, the company is of Surat. The company is universally appreciated for the range of spices. Right. Right. Both the couple of these companies saw an organizational program which was guided by Vivek Bindra in 2006. And this is the time I met him, and he just said we had visited over there. Right. So it is in 2006. Got the motive to start spices company in Surat. But this company was already started by his father. Means it was a brand name, but as a local, not as a company. And it was started by his father. But again, it started in 2006, and the current annual sales, you can read over here, 15 crores with total distributors exceeding 60. Right? At starting, they faced difficulty in setting the business, but as time passes, it became popular. It's a local brand, but we should feel proud. It is an international brand too, because it is most exporter. Right? They are most exporting in UK, Canada, and all over there. So this is the information. Why I had shown you this? Because see, if they can do it, why you all cannot do it? Yes or no? So this is the thing I want answers from you. It will enhance your theoretical and practical knowledge, because you will get knowledge. You are also living in a city or in a country where everything is happening. Right? That is only your development process, development program guided by, as you can see, is by Vivek Bindra. Right? So I hope I will get, when I give any activity to you, I will get many of the students get giving answers to me. This is one answer. And as I had said, who is the person behind their spices knowledge? Yes, his father has started the what we say company, but this business has been influenced because his mother, who is the owner of the company or the wife of his father, that is, she had the knowledge of spices. With the smell only she was able to, I had met her personally and I know her. With the smell only she can recognize what is less, what is more, and then only she used to finalize, no, this is the thing. So this is what, how these skills are coming. So these skills are required. Is it clear? So I hope all of you are getting what I wanted to share, and we'll get more answers from more students. So I'm coming to my topic. Time and expense is clear. It's a short-term process and less expensive. It's a long-term process and expensive process. Who imparts training is imparted by experienced employees, experts or supervisors. For this help of educational institutions and experts of various fields is taken. Right or wrong? Yes? Now, to whom? Training is given to bottom level. I had said you, bottom level staff. Development programs are for executives and departmental heads and top and middle level persons, right? So this is to be written in your answer and it is to be underlined. Make it clear, students. Your first term exams are going to be conducted. And the moral of the story is that if you are not following the pattern that I am saying you, your marks will be cut. मैंने तो टीचर इतना लिखा था, आपने मुझे मार्क्स नहीं दिए, मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे. मैं जब इतनी मेहनत से अंडरलाइन कर रही हूँ तो आपको भी आपके आंसर में अंडरलाइन करना है. आया समझ में? Right. So this is your 6 points we had completed. So first one was meaning, second one was objective, third one was to whom it is given, right? And no, what is in the center? Then that was work is in the center. That was. Then fourth is time and expense. Fifth is who imparts. Sixth is to whom. If I can remember, so you can also remember. Try to remember everything. So here we are completing our 6 points, but it's a 5-mark question. But it's a 5-mark question. So I'm giving you one activity more. I want more 4 points, and you will easily get it. If you're not getting it, you can ask me. I'll WhatsApp that page. Right? It's a 5-mark question. Again, I am repeating. It's a 5-mark question. It was asked in exam in March 2019 or 2018. डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट. आपको नहीं बोला है कि 5 मार्क के लिए सिर्फ 5 पॉइंट लिखना है, तो आपको 10 पॉइंट लिखने पड़ेंगे. 1 point carries half mark. Again I am repeating, students, if nothing is mentioned in the question, especially for difference between, आपको सिर्फ 5 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आया है, राइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट, कितने पॉइंट्स लिखने हैं? 10. कितने? 10. हाँ, अगर एग्जामिनर बोल रहा है राइट डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिपार्टमेंट ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट ओनली 5 पॉइंट्स, तो यू विल राइट ओनली 5 पॉइंट्स. छठा लिखने पे एक्स्ट्रा 1 मार्क नहीं मिलेगा. लेकिन कुछ नहीं बोला है और आप खाली 5 पॉइंट लिख रहे हैं तो आपको सिर्फ 2.5 मार्क मिलेंगे. और अगर अंडरलाइन नहीं किया तो आधा मार्क 1 मार्क आपका एग्जामिनर भी कट करेगा. एज एन एग्जामिनर आई एम गोइंग टू कट इट. मेक इट क्लियर. Is it clear? I'm not going to give you marks. If you want to score best marks, see at your range. I'm not saying everyone will get 90 marks, everyone will get 100 marks, everyone will get. आपकी जो रेंज है उसको मार्क्स उससे ज्यादा चाहिए है. आप 70-80 की कैपेबिलिटी रखते हो तो आप 90 पे जा सकते हो. मेरा खुद का आपको चैलेंज है. If you follow my instruction. So as I had completed this chapter, in this video I'm going to share certain things with you. Right, the answers that are sent by students for 5-mark question I'm sharing with you, and I hope you all will see the video. I'm sharing it in this because I know many of you are not watching the videos, but it is a damage to your studies, not to me. So I'm just sharing you. Take care of that, what I'm sharing. If you're interested, follow that. If you're not interested, I'll cut your marks. That's all. See, this is a 5-mark question, that is importance of development. What is the topic? 5-mark question and importance of development. You can see over here, this answer is shared by a student. I ask in video to write and send it to me. And I am happy that these few students are writing. I will be more happy if everyone, मुझे 130 PDF भी आएगा तो मैं उससे भी खुश हूँ. लेकिन 5 आता है या 6 आता है, सो मैं उससे खुश नहीं हूँ. हाँ, जो बच्चे कर रहे हैं, I will appreciate them. And I don't want to say name to them, but they are appreciated. For them, a very good thumbs up. And I hope you continue. And those students who are giving me, I am sure they will get 1 or 2 students will get 100 out of 100. That is my guarantee. and 95 plus will be the range of that students, those who are sharing answers with me. See, this is the answer. The question is, what is development and write its importance? 5-mark question. So you can see she has written, the student has written, what has been written by the student, meaning it's not been seen. It's red pen only. Okay. You can see meaning and introduction is written by the student, right? Here that student has underlined also. Can you see? But if you don't have time, focus on time and presentation. यहाँ पे आपको आपका दिमाग लगाना है कि आपको लेंथ, आपके पास टाइम ज्यादा है तो आप लेंथ पे फोकस करिए कि मैं बढ़ा दूं। आपके पास टाइम कम है तो आप खाली यहाँ तक भी लिख सकते हैं। सिर्फ मीनिंग एंड इंट्रोडक्शन लिखिए जैसे ये बच्चे ने लिखा है, मीनिंग एंड इंट्रोडक्शन। कैन यू सी दैट? एंड that student has written this. आप कितना भी लिख सकते हैं, सिर्फ यहाँ तक. Again I am repeating, if you don't think कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है तो आपको सिर्फ यहाँ तक भी लिखना अलाउड है. इतना मीनिंग एंड इंट्रोडक्शन लिखेंगे तो कोई आपका मार्क्स कट नहीं करेगा. ये नहीं लिखेंगे चलेगा. आया समझ में? For the student also I am sharing this point, right? So now see, what was our topic? What is development and importance of development, right? So I'm scrolling the page. So meaning and introduction is clear to you. After that, the student has written importance of development. What was my question? What is importance of development? So that student has written very clearly. The answer I want to present you is the same. You can see what is done by the particular student. Importance of development. Listing is done. You can see over here that student has listed the point, and as I had said in each video, don't write the numbers, go with the presentation of star or any sign, but don't write the numbers. Now you can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points are there. You can check in this. Up till here if you are clear. Right? So this is the way of presentation, and I'm very happy with that particular person that are sending videos to me and pics to me. Then that student has started writing. Right? You can see here the points are underlined. Can you see over here? The points over here are underlined. Can you see? In this way your answer is to be underlined. Right? So you don't think कि मुझे ऐसे ही marks 5 out of 5 मिलेंगे बेटा. आप इतनी मेहनत करके लिखोगे तो आपको marks मिलेंगे. You can see every point that student has underlined. 8 के 8 पॉइंट लिखे हैं, नंबर्स नहीं लिखे हैं. एग्जामिनर मेरे जैसा होगा तो काउंट करेगा, नहीं होगा तो मे बी he will not come. And finally that student has written conclusion, and you can see in conclusion also that student has underlined. So this is the way of presentation that we have to do, right? Right, so I hope you are clear with the 5 marks answer. If the answer is of 3 marks, same pattern is to be followed. Meaning and introduction, whatever the content is, see listing is not required. उसमें आप listing नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपके marks cut नहीं होंगे. पर 5 marks में अगर आपने listing नहीं की है तो आपके marks definitely cut होंगे. एक बच्चे ने आंसर भेजा था, I had asked the student to mention the time, and the student has mentioned with listing. First of all, that student had presented me without listing. I said you just write with listing, and immediately the answer was given by him that teacher, I had written this answer in 16 minutes. The average time for writing this answer 50 minutes for 50 minutes is for 4 questions of 5 marks. So just divide it कि हमारा average क्या है, because the paper has been distributed in every time is distribution is given. How we are going to manage this 3 hour of paper and exam होगी. जैसे बच्चे पूछे टीचर बोर्ड का एग्जाम होगा, ये बेटा एग्जाम होगा, योर ईयर इज क्रूशियल, कोरोना है नहीं है, जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, आप पेपर लिख लिख के जब यहाँ भेजे बोर्ड ने ये सॉल्यूशन ढूंढा, तो ऑब्वियसली बोर्ड एग्जाम्स विल नॉट बी टेकन फ्रॉम योर होम, बट यस एग्जाम्स विल बी हेल्ड. So start preparing, taking your study seriously. Till then, take care and bye bye. And I want answers. The task for you is 10 points of development and difference between training and development. And those who are interested can send these answers written by them. And timing is also to be mentioned कि कितने time में आपने complete किया है.